Hello everyone, we are Ligao City, Albay, Bicol, Philippines, with the look of Kawa, and in the back you will see Mayon. But we're not here to talk about this beautiful place. We talk about uh, modification of a Honda ADV 160, and especially bore up to get more power using a 173cc new cylinder and piston. You see several videos on YouTube in Tagalog because it's very famous in the Philippines, but you don't see it in English. That's okay. So I thought I will make one myself. Um, so my journey with the ADV started 30 months ago, and I enjoy it every day. Although I did not make a lot of kilometers, um, it's a fantastic bike. And exactly 1 year ago, I went to a tune-up store called Snailspeed. It's in Ligao City, and they decided to make my motorcycle a little bit more aggressive in overtaking. That will cost me some top speed, but in these roads here in the Philippines, you don't need the top speed. So my top speed went down to like around 105 kilometers, but my acceleration was improved dramatically in a way that it was like really easy to overtake any kind of tricycles or bus or truck or wherever you need that extra power, and that worked fantastic. And I'm still happy with that tune-up. That was an all stock up, only CVT upgrade, and after that remap. um, I did it for a year and had not a single issue with that. Fantastic. The guys from Snailspeed know exactly what they're doing. And this week we decided to do a bigger upgrade. And the upgrade is that we bore up with a new cylinder and a new piston, a 173cc, that makes it the 175 Grand Touring. We added a special race cam, throttle body, injector, and we completely rebuilt the cylinder head porting. And then we end up with another pipe. So this will bring a little bit more top speed, which I'm not looking for. I just wanted to see if I can even improve the acceleration, which was already good. But as you can see, we are living close to these beautiful highlands, and the roads here are pretty steep. And even though I had a very good acceleration, I had the idea that we can get some little bit more performance out of it to climb those hills. And that's exactly what we did. So now we have one little thing. It's called break in. It's a new piston, a new cylinder, a new set actually. So we remapped back to stock, or the last remap is actually still on. And then we're going to do 500 kilometers. And after these 500 kilometers, we go back, we do the remap, and then we probably get a couple of horsepower extra out of it. That's so far for my motor. If you continue to watch this video, you will see step-by-step procedures how they did it. I filmed every part of how the technicians there are tuning up the motor, so stay tuned and look at this video, so you can see step-by-step how to do that. Something else that I really would like to point out, and that's something that I don't see a lot in the Philippines, with all respect. I'm talking about quality. There are several motor shops or tuning shops in Albay, maybe in Bicol, even in the Philippines. But I want to talk about Snailspeed for a second. The owner, Jobert, used to be a technician from working for another company called Showtime. Showtime is famous in Ligao. I think it's one of the biggest stores in Ligao by itself. They have a huge amount of spare parts. They can repair literally everything. The technicians there are nuts, they're good, and they're creative. Even if you have a problem that they cannot fix directly, they are very good, and they fix it for you. But this is a general repair store and a parts store. Gilbert worked at Showtime in Ligao for 7 years. He became one of the best mechanics there, and he decided to start for himself. He did that in a small, he built a small shop on the north side of Ligao. We're actually looking that area. It's along the road going to Antique. And after a couple of years doing that, he decided to point or move away from a little bit repairing and start working on performance. Gilbert is a great racer. He knows how to tune engines, and with his knowledge and his family, because several family members working now for that store, they decided to take, I think in my opinion, a little risk, and they built a huge tuning center with all the new equipment, with the new facilities to rebuild pistons, cylinders, CVT systems. They have mills, they have special drill systems. He has a dyno, he has all the software, not only for the smaller bikes but also for the big bikes. And he got a couple of skilled technicians there. And what I really like is that they're aiming now for performance. So they know exactly how to do all these tune-ups. And not only from ADV. You see Aerox there, you see Snipers, you see Radio 150s, you see NMAX. So the more powerful bikes, he tuned them up for even more performance. And you can do that for, let's say, a month or 2 months, and maybe then all the performance guys from Albay are done. But this guy started to be so famous that from all Bicol they are coming. Every day there are at least 10 to 15 bikes that he needs to finish. Every evening is overtime. This guy is doing fantastic. I honestly think that he never expected to be so successful. And neither did I, or maybe a lot of people here, but he did. What helps is that he has a couple of bikes that he used for racing in straight lines and ovals and things like that. And if you have a store and you have a couple of race bikes and you win races over and over and over again, that means that you know your shit. So I can only advise, if you want to have a tune-up, if you want to do something with your motorcycle to make it go faster, there's only one store where you can go, and that is in Snailspeed. Back to the bike. I will continue this video with the setup of how they rebuilt the motor, and you will see that in part 2.
they'll never learn. Every time I break, there's just more pain to burn. They'll never, never, never learn. Till the battles are won, still kingdom come. I'll never run. Let's do loyalty, 'cause I'm taking a watch and see. They'll be calling me, calling me. They'll be calling me royalty. Let's do loyalty, 'cause I'm taking a watch and see. They'll be they'll be calling me royalty. They'll be calling me royalty. They'll be calling me royalty.
Alright, so the motor is back together. It's running good. It's of course break-in time, so it's not fast. I'm not using the RPMs that I would like to use now, but that's okay. It's 500 kilometers. Let's see how it does. The pipe is a little loud, but yeah, let's try it out and let's see how far we get with this setup so far.